techgets.com. And if you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button and share this video with as many people as you can. And if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, kindly do it so that you don't miss any of my videos. So without any delay, let's get started. And today we are gonna learn like Java is again in the air. Today we are gonna do some lovely Java, and in Java we learn method overloading. Yeah, there's something called method overloading, and we are gonna learn about method overloading in Java. Okay, so without any delay, let's get started. Dab. Okay, so over here you can see we have a class main as usual. Then we have two methods over here. Okay, one is static int plus method integer. So this is the first method, static int. So it will return an integer value and its name is plus method integer, and this is for basically adding integers. Then we have another method that will return a double value, a double data type value. Okay, and its the method name is plus method double, and it accepts double double data type values. Okay, and it returns a double value. So basically this method is used for adding doubles, and this method is used for adding integers, right? And now in our main method we are creating an integer now, my num1, and in this we are calling my method plus method 1 plus method int and passing it 8 and 5. So it will add these both integers and it will return us the result that we are saving in my num1. Then we have a double variable my num2. This is a double data type variable, and which we are calling the plus method double. So we are calling this double method and we are passing it 4.3 and 6.26, right? So we are passing this, so it will basically return us a double value, and that will be the result of it will add these two values, okay, and return us a double data type value. Okay, and then we are saving it in my num2. Then we are printing out the integer my num1 and double my num2. So let's just see. Okay, so you can see we are getting the results over here. Now you can see that these two methods are for the same purpose. They are these both are for adding, right? But these two are separate methods. What if we wanted to do the same thing but just with one method, right? That's method overloading. We can make another method with the same name in Java. This is a new concept for us, guys. This is not in JavaScript. This is not in I don't think this is in okay, this is not in JavaScript, but over here it is in Java, right? So over here we are doing static int plus method int integer x, and it is accepting integers and returning an integer value. Over here it is accepting doubles and is returning a double value. Now we'll see how to basically just use one function. So over here we'll do static int plus method and we'll just name it plus method. Okay, so because this is for addition, and return x plus y. Then we can same do with this with double, so we can also name this a plus method. Now you must be thinking, I'll just do plus method plus method. Now you must be thinking, how can we create two methods but with the same name? You see that over here it is returning an integer value and is accepting an integer value, and over here it is returning a double value and it is accepting double value only. So basically whenever you pass it double values, the double data type values, it will go in this function. Okay, and whenever you pass it int data type values, so it will go in this function. This is how it identifies by the parameters. It looks it looks the parameters. If they are if they are matching one of the methods, it will go into that method. So if the parameters are double data type, so it will go in the double data type method. If in the method where it is accepting the double data type. If we are giving the int data type, then it will see where is the plus method with the which is accepting integer data types, and when it will find the plus method that is accepting the integer data type, it will uh, just execute that function, right? And basically you can create this in certain conditions. You can create what we say you can use method overloading in certain conditions when your parameter number is different. So if over here there's one parameter and over here there's two parameters, it is different. So over here there's one parameter and over here there is there are two parameters, right? And okay, and now in this, if we pass just one argument first, then it will see. Okay, so if we pass just one argument, it will see which is the same method names with only one argument. It will see which this name method accepts one argument, and when it will find that method, it will go into that method and execute its code. And if we give two arguments like this, then it will see which method accepts two arguments, right? It will see which method accepts two arguments. Okay, and when it will find it out, it will go into that method. Okay, so this was the first thing. Okay, this is the first differentiation. The second differentiation is that when it is asking for a different data type values. So over here, if it asking for integer data type values, okay, over here if it is asking for integer data type values, and over here it is asking for double data type values, okay, then it will differentiate in these both. It will see if I'm getting a integer data type values, if I'm getting integer data type values, that means it should go in the integer in the method where it is accepting integers, right? And if this method is getting the double data type values, so it will see this method is occurring two times, and it will see which method accepts double data type values, and then it will go into that method, right, and execute that method. So this was method overloading, guys. I hope you like this video. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button and share this video with as many people as you can. Thank you, guys. Bye. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep watching my videos. Dab.